So I just got back from Pilates. So in class today we did the mermaid stretch, which is my favorite. So you just do this, make a T, and then stretch, and then you just kind of like stretch your rib cage here. Just put on some makeup because we're gonna go out for lunch with our friend. We're gonna eat barbecue. I was gonna shower right after workout, but I was like, man, my hair's gonna smell like barbecue, so I'll shower when I get back. I just have to straighten my hair a little bit. My hands are so dry, so I'm gonna put on my favorite Huxley cream. I'm running out. This is the Secret of Sahara. Workout clothes. I just wore my favorite leggings that I showed you guys last time, and then this is my favorite top from Lululemon. Straighten my hair. Kind of angle at 45 degrees and then 90 degrees. I like this big wave. Not wave, big curls. Go down 45 degrees and then tilt this so it's 90 degrees. You get this big. I know, but he called her? Oh. He talked to her or she called her? This is my favorite length of hair. Like, it's not too short or it's not too long, and it looks pretty when I style it, because when it gets too long and I try to style it, it still looks kind of like messy. 10:40. We want to just have an early lunch. I think the barbecue taco place opens at 11. Hair feels extra soft today. I also applied this hair serum. I was gonna wear my workout outfit, but I'm just gonna change. Be right back. I'm gonna wear this aloe top and black. Body mist. Gonna wear my new V-Max. Aiden got me a new vlogging camera. He pre-ordered it, so it should be coming next week. Those are sunglasses you bought in Korea. Yeah. Gentle Monster shades. It kind of looks like mine.
Same one. I liked it.
Oh, it's the same one?
Yeah.
The lens is different?
Yeah, lens만 달라.
My friend just texted and she said the place that we're heading right now is closed.
Because of you.
I know, like every time I'm craving something, it's closed that day. So where are we going?
아, 있어. 픽업을 할까?
이러다 추자. Hey, we're wearing couple shorts. Today's episode of Angel and Aiden.
It was always enjoyed.
Wedding dress shop.
비싸니까.
So we decided on burgers, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Barnes and Noble. Oh, so pretty here. Is this fake grass? Hey, there's a playground or something here. The kids will love it. Oh my gosh! Pretty. It's like a really pretty area of Allen, Texas.
신용을 하는 거야. 주문해라.
What? That's so. So I'm gonna eat a chili hot dog. We're gonna get some truffle fries and onion ring. Aiden's gonna get a burger. Got Dr. Pepper. Yum. Look at this hot dog. Huh? How do you eat this? It's really good. We're so full.
I'm drunk.
So we are going to a coffee
맞았어,
shop
그래서.
right here.
나랑 셀카 찍다가 그랬거든. 언니가 보면 안 되는데.
Is this the coffee shop? It's called Frog. She said the latte is good here.
시럽인가봐. Thank you guys. 생크림입니다. 걷어 올려. 와 이쁘다.
꽃값이 들어가니까.
All these right next door is really good to pizza. Eat and drink a little bit. So I'll be trying. I was so full from lunch. That was like really good. That looks so weird in hairbands. I used to love hairbands. Sana in school in 5 minutes. So after Yeonu gets off school, the kids wanted to stop by like this card trading place where they buy, sell, and trade Pokemon cards. So I think they have like rare cards there and also like binders full of individual cards. So they're gonna look through the binders to see if there's some that they've been looking for. He has really bad allergies, so I just put eye drops in his eyes.
Yellow paper.
This year?
Yes.
Go to the card place and then stop by Target to buy things for dinner. Aiden's gonna make Jjimdak, and I have to soak the vermicelli noodle. So when we get back, it'll be ready to eat.
이게 많은 거지.
Yeonu's feet's bigger than mine. I wear women's 6 and Yeonu wears women's size like 7.5. At school today, I guess they passed around the notes and you write like good things about that person, but you don't write like who wrote
아니 그냥
it.
쓸 수 있어. 근데 안 쓰고 싶으면 안 써도 돼.
Awesome person. I'm so grateful to have a friend like you. You work hard. You're so kind. I saw your mom's Instagram. Do you still remember when you drew this painting? So Yeonu drew this in Korea how long ago? Like long time ago.
There's a snake. He's trying to eat the fruit. And there's a bird.
Where's the snake?
Red.
Where's the snake?
Right here.
I only see a ship that's underwater. This is good because it's a drawing that anyone could like have their own idea of what it is. So Sonu sees a snake eating fruits or something. I see like this guy driving a boat under submarine under the water.
제목.
성.
네? How did I see the snake?
You could sit on the table, 선.
가격은?
이거 다 포켓몬이야?
아, 써있네.
Wow.
일본 거 1불씩 하네, 1불.
All the rare Pokemons are in this glass case. And the other ones are all in this binder. That is rare?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick the ones that he's gonna buy. These are the ones Yeonu's gonna buy.
지가를.
Yay, they purchased their cards. We don't like to use the chicken thighs. So Aiden did a lot of yard work. He planted grass seeds, but I don't think it's growing yet.
어린애 이런 thing. I'm getting a seed and everything. 이건 뭐야? 어디서 온 거야, 이거?
You didn't spray that yet?
나는 이쪽은
Killing all the weeds. Oh. It's like spraying out. 2 pack of chicken thighs, green onion, carrot onion.
야, 매력다. 치킨 스멜.
So you dip it in some milk for a few minutes so like the chicken smell goes away.
먹기 좋은 사이즈로 잘라주세요.
I'm gonna wash these.
Yeah, and then peel it.
잠시만요. 고기가 cutting up some sweet potato.
It's really hard. 조심해야 돼. 나중에 다 넣자 그냥 먹어. 양파 파 later.
Set to put the lid on. Oh, shit. Not the right lid. Can you make 계란말이? Aiden makes the best 계란말이. He makes allergy medicine. What? A lot of eggs. Don't you use like 8 eggs? 6? 다 들어고?
떡은 다 익어.
So like right before we are about to eat, he's gonna put the vermicelli noodles in there. The noodles soak up a lot of the sauce, so you have to have extra sauce whenever you plan to put noodles in. 이건 또 너무 작지 않아? 별거 messed up. 이거는 몇 분이고요? Done, but Aiden just remembered he forgot to put minced garlic. So he's gonna put it in. I'm gonna transfer some onto here, however much we're gonna eat today. Get this perfect 계란말이 and the cheese is like stretching out. Cooked perfectly.
맛이 좋구만. 대단하다.
You're on the second bowl. I'm gonna pack up this leftover for the kids' lunch tomorrow, and then dessert I'm gonna eat. Still have some cookies left that Aiden made. So we ate 2 yesterday, and then we have 4 left. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna wait till it cools down. I'm gonna take this. Brush your teeth out there. I had to take protein powder today after workout, so I'm just eating some now. I just mixed it in with some milk. Sanitize my phone since I was out all day. They say your phone is so dirty. I'm done cleaning with the kitchen. The kitchen's closed. 연우's gonna brush their teeth, and we're gonna stretch. Oh, I'm gonna shower first and then stretch before bed.
Don't start the